everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing some laundry motivation, and I will be hanging them out on the clothesline today. So those of you that are new, I do hang my clothes outside to let them air dry. I ordered clothing, one of those drying racks from Amazon. So one of my subscribers, lovely subscribers, reminded me of it because I don't know, for some reason I just forgot about the clothing rack. For some reason I don't know what it was, but thank you for that. So I did go ahead and order that, you know, for like underclothes and stuff like that, or days when it's really wet outside, or it's too cold, or it's too hot. Well, I usually, during the summertime, I usually get my clothes out early in the morning before it gets really hot. So that's not a problem. It's just during the winter time and days when it's raining that we have a hard time trying to get the clothes dry. So I ordered me one of those really large ones. But right now, like today, it's no problem hanging them out. It's pretty outside. It's not cold. It is kind of cool, but it's not freezing. And but yeah, so I'm just go ahead and start separating these clothes. I hope this video motivates you guys to get some laundry done. And let me know down in the comment section if you enjoyed today's video. So I'm going to go ahead and start separating everything. And if you've been watching me for a while, I do like to wash my jeans and stuff first. I like to get them on out so they can dry, because it takes them a while to dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with those. Now I don't have as many today because, like I said in my last laundry video, my two oldest daughters, they have started washing their own clothes, so I don't have to do so much now. So I just wash mine and the babies. So yeah. Alright, hold on. I gotta find a space for my whites, because I definitely need to put some bleach on those today. Daughter, she wears those white Nike socks and she has them dirty. Ooh, they so dirty. So we need to bleach those down. Shake the clothes off. You see me shaking the clothes, like, so I can get all the trash and stuff like that out. And sometimes my kids will put paper and stuff in their pockets and at school, and sometimes I end up washing all that paper and it be all over the clothes. It just be a big mess. So now I just shake everything, make sure I got all the papers and napkins and all that stuff out, make sure there's no holes and deep stains and stuff like that on the stuff. And I give it a quick search, so that don't go in there. So that's why you guys see me shake the clothes before I separate them. I'm using the Purex today. Let some air in because it comes out slow, so I need to vent it a little bit. I probably still need to pour it from the other end. But yeah, guys, I got a lot of stuff to do this week. Not just today, but this week. My living room is a mess. Got so much stuff I gotta do. I'm just gonna pour a little bit. No, I might need to put some more in there. Nah, that's enough. So, let this load do what it's gonna do. And I'll be back to put the next load in. Go ahead and take those out, put them on line. So this load is done. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out and put the next one in. I think I'm gonna wash the towels next because those sweatshirts and sweatpants, I can actually hang those on the hanger and hang them over the rod in the bathroom, over the shower rod. So I do those probably last. I'll probably do those last. Let me just get everything that I got to take outside washed first. And I forgot to check the pockets of the pants. I don't wash my daughter's lip gloss in here. Put that over there. I don't know, maybe mixed up. No. Guess it's okay. But I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. See, got some paper. I didn't check the pockets of the jeans. So, okay, let me go ahead and put these in.
Speed to the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon.